Record. All right, boys and girls, we are making a 10 to add. This is session 4, and we are on page 273. To make a 10 to add, I'm going to tell you this every time. If you can't make teen numbers, you're going to have a hard time making 10 to add. If you can't add and make a group of 10 real quick with the top of your fingers, like if I say 2, you say 8. If I say 3, you say 7. If I say 1, you say 9. If I say 9, you say 1. So you need to practice that every day, okay? So here we go. The first thing we're going to practice is making teen numbers. Ready? A teen number is one group of 10 plus at least one 1, okay? So here we go. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. So those are our teen numbers. Now let's practice making 10, right? I'm going to write numbers to 10. Let's say I'm going to start with 8, and then I'm going to do 5, and then I'm going to do 3, and then I'm going to do 9, and then I'm going to do 4, and then I'm going to do 7, and I'm going to do 1, and I'm going to do 2 up here, and let's see, 3. I have 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do 6 right here, and I'm going to do 10 at the top. You guys ready? These are mixed up 10s. I wonder if you can do it. So what plus 10 equals 10? If I have 10 and I need to get to 10, 10, 0. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 6 plus what is going to equal 10? If I have 6 and I need to get to 10, 6, how many am I adding? 4. 6 and 4 make 10. If I have 2 and I need to get to 10, right? 10 is my whole. If I have 2, how many do I need to get to 10? 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Look, there's 8. 8 plus 8, how many more to 10? 8 plus 2 equals 10. Ooh, we know this one, easy peasy lemon squeezy. If I have 5 and I need to get to 10, that's my addition double. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And 3 plus what equals 10? Remember, we have 3. We can count on to the whole, from the part we know up to the whole. Or we can start at the whole and take away the part. If I have 10 and I take away a part, what's left? Right, 7 is left. Drop my pen. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now I have 9. How many more do I need to get to 10? 9, 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 4 plus what equals 10? Remember, if my numbers are less than 5, it's easier to go from the whole back to the part. So here's my whole is 10. If I take away 4, which is my part, how many more do I need to get to 10? 6 plus 4 equals 10. Good. So 6. And 7 plus what equals 10? If I have 7, how many more do I need to get to 10? 7 plus what equals 10, right? Good. 7 plus 3. And 1 plus what equals 10? Oops, 10. All right, so if I have 10, take away that one part. What's left? 9. Good job. 9. Okay, so now we're done with that practice, and we are going to start this lesson, session 4, page 273. Here it says, example, 8 plus 6. Let's think. 8, 9, 10. 2. 8 and 2 more make 10, right? So that's 6. If we take 2 away from that, there's 4 left, right? So these two go to the 10, and then there's 4 more. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. That was a little bit of mental math, wasn't it? Let's try this one. 8 plus 7. Here's 8. Let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. Check. Now let's put our evidence for 7. Change our color. 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What did I make? I made a 10 and 5 more, right? 10 plus 5, oops. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So do you see that we had 2 parts? We had 8 there, and we had 7 here, right? So those 2 parts all together make the whole, which is all of this together, right? And if you look at it even closer, you still have a group of 10 and 5 more ones. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Make my line smaller. Here we have 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 9, 10. One more. I can borrow 1 from the 8, right? So if I had 8, and I take 1 away, what's my other part? 8, take away 1. That other part is 7. I could still draw my 8 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8. And changing that color, I can circle 9 and 1 of those dots from the 8 make a group of 10. And then this is no longer an 8, it is 7. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Notice that the number when I'm adding 9 is just 1 less than this. So 10, right? And 7 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. Clear those drawings. Move that down.